everyone, this is Prachi from Orissa Post Live. Today is Menstrual Hygiene Day, and while periods are normal for half of the population, it's still a mystery for many. So we thought, why not just flip the script? Today we'll be quizzing everyone in our newsroom, and we'll see who knows a lot about menstrual health. Don't worry, it's all just about fun. What does PMS stands for?
प्रधानमंत्री स्वरोजगार योजना.
Don't know. Post-menstrual cycle. Sorry.
Premenstrual syndrome.
This means I think premenstrual syndrome.
Premenstrual syndrome.
How long does a typical menstrual cycle last?
Menstrual cycle lasts 28 days.
4 to 5 days. 7 days. 5 to 7 days.
5 to 7 days.
5 days.
5 to 7 days.
4 to 5 days.
28 days.
28 days.
28 days. I think.
Is from 21 days to 35 days. On average, I guess it's 28 days.
What is PCOD and what does it stand for?
Not sure of.
PCOD. Post-cycle.
Polycystic ovarian syndrome.
Polycystic ovarian disorder.
Cystic ovarian syndrome.
Polycystic ovarian disease.
Polycystic ovarian disease.
Polycystic ovarian disease.
What is postpartum depression?
Postpartum after the pregnancy, I think. Is it?
Postpartum depression. Synonym to depression.
Before periods.
Physical and emotional, psychological condition, that is.
Postpartum depression, basically it's after delivery. It is related to some psychological or maybe some mental and physical emotions when mixed together. So being a mother, I know such kind of situations is very popular and it's not like popular, it is very evident in current generation, especially in new moms.
What is the purpose of a tampon?
What is tampon actually? I don't know.
What is it then? I don't know. What is it?
Don't know. It's a replacement for the menstrual pad.
It's used during period time.
To absorb those bodily waste.
Women should not exercise during their period. True or false?
False.
False. It is true because it may lead to heavy bleeding.
False.
True.
False. It's false.
False.
You can always tell when someone is on their period. True or false?
False.
False. Someone is on period, so you can tell, right? Yes, true.
No, how could I know?
Oh, we can't say all the time. But yeah, they have some mood swings.
Yes, mood swings.
Period blood is dirty and impure. True or false?
Every blood is dirty. No, but blood is clean that I can serve on a plate. Anyway, it's false.
True. True.
True.
True. It is impure that.
It is not dirty as our mind is dirty. That is not as much that dirty.
So that's the end to our menstrual quiz. Hope you liked it and had few laughs along the way. This is Prachi signing off, and stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for such more beautiful contents.